Hey guys, today I'm making this beautiful and delicious selection of cookies. These cookies are perfect for holidays, bake sale or even a family get together. I am going to make everything from scratch. I'll be making 6 type of cookies from a basic dough. This is how the bakeries make different cookies. I'm going to make basic cookie dough which is different than your normal butter cookie dough. I'll also show you how to transform a basic cookie dough into 6 different types and different style of cookies by adding additional ingredients as we go along. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon below for my latest recipes. Here I have used 1 and 3/4 cup of soft butter which is about 400 grams. Whisk it well until the butter turns pale. Now add 1.5 cup of sugar which is about 300 grams. Whisk both the ingredients very well until it becomes creamy and then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Next I am adding 2 tablespoons of plain curd which is about 30 grams. It's time for the dry ingredients. I am using 3.5 cup of all-purpose flour which is about 450 grams. I am going to add the flour in 3 batches so there will not be any lumps in the dough. I'm also adding half teaspoon of salt just to balance the sweetness. Now transfer the dough to your kitchen counter and mix it well. Here the consistency of the dough will be soft, but when we will add the additional ingredients, it will get the perfect texture. You can also store this cookie dough up to 10 days in the fridge. Now I'm going to divide the dough into 6 equal portions. You can either use a kitchen scale or just measuring cups. Now the first type of cookie is lime and ginger cookie. Take about 1 cup of cookie dough. In that add 2 teaspoons of lime juice, half teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of lime zest, 1 tablespoon of additional flour and few drops of green food color. Here additional flour will help to hold the shape. Mix it well and now keep it in between 2 parchment papers. Flatten it and keep it in the fridge until we prepare other cookies, which is about half an hour. Next is jam cookies, which are also known as Linzer cookies. Take second portion of the dough, add 1/4 cup of almond flour and 1 tablespoon of additional all-purpose flour. If you don't have almond flour, just add 1 more tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Flatten the dough and refrigerate it. Now next is classic Nutella chocolate cookies. Take 3 tablespoons of hot milk. In that add 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Mix it well and add it with the cookie dough. I am also adding additional 1 tablespoon of flour and 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you are using sweetened cocoa powder, then you can skip the additional sugar. Mix it well and refrigerate it. Our next cookie flavor is peanut butter. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed peanuts and 1 teaspoon of peanut butter and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour to the dough. Flatten it and keep it in the fridge for half an hour. Next I have red velvet cookies. I'm just adding the red food color to the basic cookie dough. I'm gonna fill these cookies with cream cheese icing. But for now, refrigerate the dough for half an hour. After half an hour, take out the dough, spread some flour on your workstation and flatten the dough. The thickness of the dough should be about 1/4 inch. I'm using Christmas cookie cutter to cut my cookies. Bake all the cookies in a preheated oven for 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. So this cookie measurement will roughly give you about 50 cookies. You can make 2 to 3 cookie boxes. This number may vary because it depends on the size of the cookie box. Once they are baked, let them cool down completely. All my cookies have cooled down completely. In almond flavor cookies, I'm filling mixed fruit jam. In the chocolate cookie, I'm filling Nutella. You can also fill chocolate ganache or melted chocolate. In the red velvet cookie, I'm filling cream cheese icing. For cream cheese frosting, check out my red velvet cake. I'll put link in the description box below. I'm decorating peanut butter cookies and almond cookies with some chocolate. In the lime ginger cookies, I have sprinkled some icing sugar on the top. I'm also drizzling some green food color on the lime ginger cookies. I hope you liked this recipe. If you have any doubt about the recipe, do let me know in the comment section. Also check out my smiley cookies recipe, red velvet cake recipe, and my cookies and biscuit playlist. I'll put all the links below in the description box. Do share this recipe with your family and friends and hit the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Merry Christmas, guys.